Okay, so a lot of people have asked me how to get to iReady. So mine's a Mac, so it's going to be a little different. I'm going to pull Google Chrome up. You have to have Google Chrome or Firefox. I'm on Google. Let me close that tab down some. There we go. Google, I'm going to go to Bedford County website. I'm going to go quick links for teachers, class link. My daughter's already signed in. The kids haven't been able to personalize, so this would be a good time they could also personalize. So they can go to my profile, they can pick who they want. It gives them a bunch of images right now. They probably don't have anything on there, so that'd be cool for them to do. Their name should be the same. If they want to, they don't need to change their password. They need to leave everything the same. Palettes and colors, they can change their background if they want. Ellie doesn't know I'm doing that, but we are. I don't think they can do anything else on there, so it's going to be pink like that. When they go to iReady, they can change their background. She has a cat. A lot of theirs looks different. To change their background, let me see. I'm not used to this part. I don't want to go to Family Center. Nope, nope, nope. Go back. Well, I can't do that. Let me see. I thought you clicked on their name, but apparently I was wrong. Oh, it's my stuff. They have to have it like that. Okay, so she has the cat right now. Their rewards, they can use their coins to play games. They have themes. I don't know how they get any more. This is their progress. You can see what they've done and stuff like that. They should have lessons. They may have teacher assigned lessons that have a sign that they've not completed, or they should have lessons over here. They can go from math to reading. She doesn't have any math assigned, but she does have this. If it says diagnostic test, they do not need to do the diagnostic test. It also has learning games like these right here if they want to do. Multiplication would be really good for arrays. I don't know what these are. These may be fractions right here. That would be really good for some of them. So just explore and take this time, because this time is taking away from their learning and I do not want them to be behind. If you have questions, you can contact me on Class Dojo.